Hello everyone, this is me Rashmi Ojha. Welcome to Nigzi Ki Pathshala. For the first class, today we are going to study verb. What is verb? Verb is a word that is used to describe the work in a sentence. Suppose if I say Ram plays football. Here you can see Ram football खेलता है. Plays. Here it is a verb. It defines the verb, the work that is happening. Verb is also of two types. First is main verb and second is helping verb. Main verb and helping verb. What is main verb? Main verb is also a verb that is used to describe the main work of a sentence. Suppose if I say I'm cooking, I'm playing, I'm listening, I'm sleeping, these are main verbs. But when I say helping verb, these are the verbs that helps the sentence but not used as a main verb. This is also of two types. First is modals. Models, and second is here helping verb is also of two type, as you can see, modals and primary auxiliary verb. Modals is a verb that is just used as a helping verb, but when it comes to primary auxiliary verb, these are the verb that are used not just as helping verb but also as main verb. So it can be used as helping verb and also the main verb in a sentence. Okay, so for example, if I say here in models, when I say can, may, will, shall, these are the verbs that are used as helping verb, like can, may, will, shall, etc. and many more. But in primary auxiliary verb, these are the verbs that are used as helping verb and main verb. For example, if I say do, have, be, okay, so these are helping verb. So in models, what I was saying, like can. If I say I can help you, I can help you, I can help you. Here you could see that what is the main verb of the sentence. I can help you. Help is the main verb here. But can is a helping verb here in the sentence. Why? Because सबसे ज़्यादा जो जोर है वो हेल्प पे पड़ रहा है. जब मैं कह रही हूँ कि आई कैन हेल्प यू, मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकती हूँ, तो सबसे ज़्यादा जोर मेन वर्ब पे पड़ रहा है. कैन जो है वो हेल्प कर रहा है मेन वर्ब को इन सेंटेंस में. तो कैन जो है यहाँ पे हेल्पिंग वर्ब की तरह यूज हुआ है. सपोज इफ आई से इन मे, लाइक यू मे कम इन, यू मे कम इन, यू मे कम इन, तुम आ सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे कम जो है ये मेन वर्ब का काम कर रहा है और यहाँ पे मे जो है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब का काम कर रहा है. That's why I say मॉडल्स जो होते हैं वो सिर्फ हेल्पिंग वर्ब का काम करते हैं, जिसमें जैसे कैन आता है, मे, विल, शेल, ये वर्ड्स आते हैं. सो दीज आर मॉडल्स. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से डू, व्हेन आई से I do know her, helping verb, not as a main verb. But in primary auxiliary verb, these verb can be used as a helping verb and a main verb also. So here you can see in this sentence, I do know her. मैं उसे जानती हूँ. I do. Do is used as a helping verb here and know is a main. But if I say I do my work, here do is used as a main verb, not as a helping verb. Why? Here do is main verb. Why? I do my work. I can also say I completed my work or something like that. On that time work will be your main verb. But when I say I do my work, if I don't use do in this sentence, the sentence will not get complete. That's why we have to use do, and that's why it is a main verb. Because without do the sentence will not be completed. That's why here do is used as a main verb. I hope you guys understand this. So this is primary auxiliary verb. And when I say the main verb, that is only used as a main verb. Main verb. Suppose I know her. Here know is a main verb कि मैं उसे जानती हूँ. So this is a verb और here it is a main verb. Without this the sentence cannot be completed, and this describes what's going on. I know her. If I say I play cricket, if I say I play cricket, here play is used as a main verb. Okay, if I say I listen music, so listen is a main verb. But if I say I cook vegetables, so cook is a main verb. These verbs are used as a main verb. There are different forms of these verbs. First form, second form, third form, and we will discuss this next classes. So that's it for today. I hope you guys understood everything. So that's it for today. So if any students still have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. And in the next video, we will discuss these topics in detail. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the further updates.